Hello, I'm Ranger Mary, and I would like to tell you about the nature right here in your backyard. You can learn about nature in the classroom, but more interesting is to take a journey into these great places. Right here in Northeast Florida is home to some amazing natural sites. Have you heard of Timucuan Ecological and Historic Preserve? The preserve covers 46,000 acres and offers visitors a chance to explore unspoiled Florida, such as ecosystems and habitats. There's nature trails that wind through woods and shrubs, and it is home to a diverse population of animals and plants. The preserve was home to Timucuan Indians at the time of European contact. The preserve encompasses many sites such as Kingsley Plantation, Fort Caroline Memorial, Little Tabet Island, Big Tabet Island, Cedar Point, and historic Mayport. Some of these sites may sound familiar to you, such as Kingsley Plantation, Fort Caroline, and historic Mayport. Have you heard about the Theodore Roosevelt area within the preserve? It is named after Theodore Roosevelt. Willie Brown donated the land to the Nature Conservancy with the stipulation that the land stayed at its natural state. He named it after his hero, President Theodore Roosevelt. In the preserve, you'll come across many wildlife, such as mammals, reptiles, and invertebrates. Starting with mammals, you might see possums, armadillos, river otter, bobcat, a variety of rabbits, white-tailed deer, dolphins, and manatees. Reptiles, you may see gopher tortoises, turtles, race runners, anoles, and skinks. There's a huge diversity of birds in the area. Many birds reside all year round, and some pass through with seasons. In the preserve and in the Theodore Roosevelt area, it has visitors from all over the world, and some of these visitors come to the park just to see the birds. When visiting the park, one must have the proper tools, such as a hat, bug repellent, and sunscreen. And ample water.